students. In this video we are going to learn about this, how to calculate distance between two parallel lines. Already we learned the concept in yesterday, that is, when we want to find out the distance between two parallel plane means we have to find one point on one of the planes. From that point, if you find out the distance between that point and another point, then that will give us the distance between two parallel lines. Now in this video we are going to see the shortcut method, that is the direct formula that can be applied to use distance, to find distance between two parallel planes. The distance between the two parallel planes, that is, the first plane equation is ax plus by plus cz plus d1 equal to 0, and the second plane equation is equal to second plane equation is represented by ax plus by plus cz plus d2 equal to 0. We already learnt that if two lines are parallel means the coefficient of x, y, z will be same and they differ by only constant. Here we have d1, here we have d2, and the distance between these two parallel planes can be calculated using the formula, that is d. Here d represents distance between the two parallel planes, is equal to d modulus of d1 minus d2, that is difference between these two constants, divided by square root of coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square plus coefficient of z square. Sometimes the parallel plane equation will be given in the vector form. We need to convert that vector form into Cartesian form, and then we have to apply this formula. I hope you understand this. Now we will move on to the problems so that you will get clear idea about how to calculate a distance between two parallel planes. And the first question is, find the distance between the parallel planes x plus y minus z plus 4 equal to 0 and x plus y minus z plus 5 equal to 0. You can observe that the coefficient of x, coefficient of y, coefficient of z are same. These two plane equations differ by constants, and we know that d1 can be considered as 4, d2 can be considered as 5, and we know the formula d is equal to modulus of d1 minus d2 divided by square root of coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square plus coefficient of z square. When we simplify it, we get the final answer is 1 divided by root 3, and it is one of the direct application problem. Now we move on to next question. The next question is, find the distance between the parallel planes 2x minus y plus 2z plus 3 equal to 0 and 4x minus 2y plus 4z plus 5 equal to 0. If you observe these two plane equations, the coefficients of x, coefficient of y, coefficient of z are not same. They are proportional. Already we learned that if two planes are parallel means their coefficient of x, coefficient of y, coefficient of z are proportional. Now you can observe that they are proportional. So we can confirm it is a parallel plane, even though it is given in the question